everybody. Well, apparently, well, I was gonna go jogging today, but then something happened, and I wasn't able to. See all the rain out there, all the lots of water. Lots and lots of water. Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah, so that screwed that plan up. But it's not that bad. And we need the rain out here. It's a big old huge desert, and water's important. It's important for everybody. And it sounds cool. So there's that. And there's just a lot of it. And this is the back porch. And you can see there's lots of puddles already. And it's really coming down actually really hard. The big drops you're seeing are coming off the roof. But yeah, don't know how long this is going to last, but it's neat. Thanks for listening. Enjoy yourselves for the rest of your day, for whatever you're doing. And maybe I'll get to go jogging this evening if it's not still raining. Alright, bye.